Hello YouTube, Bill from Fishing Around Chicago, back out and about. It's a beautiful day, man. Beautiful day here in the western suburbs of Chicago. I was told in my last video, more Des Plaines River fishing, so here I am, Des Plaines River. Currently, I'm in Schiller Park, Illinois. Here at River Road and Irving Park Road, Route 19. I don't know if you guys know where it's at, but that's where I'm at. So here's the river. Kind of nice. Got a nice current to it. It's a little shallow, but there's a lot of pike in here. A lot of pike. I'm hoping to catch something, bluegill or something. Use it for bait. This part of the Des Plaines River, I'm kind of over nothing on this part of the lake. The river. I'm over. I don't catch hardly. I don't catch anything here. But since I wasn't doing anything today, so I come on it for a little bit. I'm coming just for a little bit because I got some errands to do. All right. So if I catch something, I'll let you know. I already got a bait out there. And if I do catch something, I'll let you know. Well, it didn't take long to get my first bite. As soon as I shut off the camera, he hit it. So guess what? He's going on my deep rod, my big rod. Well, maybe I'll put him on my bobber. No, this is the current going. The current take the bobber that way. Are you looking over there, bro? I'm over here on this side, bro. There we go. See? Just caught this bluegill. Yeah, I'm gonna take him off and put him. Oh, this guy's pretty big though. No, I'll throw him back just for good luck. I don't know, that might be the only fish I caught, but I throw him back for good luck. For karma. Lady karma. Right? Watch out for the ticks out here, man. I still got ticks out here. So, let me toss it back out there. See if I can catch another one. Night crawler. Alright fellas, I've been catching a lot of gobies, man. A lot of gobies. But I threw in the same place when I caught this guy. This guy's pretty strong for a creek chub. I caught this guy. I'm gonna use him for bait for sure, man. I used that goby for bait, but nothing touched it. Nothing wanted the goby. I understand why. It's freaking ugly. I'm gonna cut this guy up, put him in my deep line, and see if we can catch fish. All right, we'll see. Wish me luck. Or wish me something. Later. All right, the third different species I caught today. I think I got a bell. My bell rang, but I don't think it was me. Oh, it's me. It's my cart. I'm hitting the cart. It's a nice bass. Small one. I guess this year's the year for dinks. Is that a smallie? Is that a smallie or what? I don't see no stripes on the side here. Oh, you tell me, guys. Is that a smallie? I know there's smallies in here. Well, I think I caught a smallie, man. All right, first one in a while. Hey, I don't see no line going across. I think it might be my first smallie this year. In a while. Thanks, bud. Wait, they hit hard, man. I'm getting a lot of bites, man, but they're quick. Faster than my old man reflexes. All right, do I catch another one? All right, another creek chub. That guy's huge. He's bigger than that bass I caught. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, auto release. He's got an auto release. Nice feature. Nice feature, buddy. That's nice, huh? Very nice. Very strong too, this guy. Alright. Going back in the water before he gets more upset. Schiller Park, Illinois. This is the canoe dock. If you haven't noticed, canoe kayak launch. There's a couple more on that direction, some more in that direction. I haven't been here in a while, so I came here real quick. I jumped on that tollway and came this way. So let me see what else we can catch. Look at this, guys. Now I know this is a smallie. It's a smallie day. Look at this guy. Look at him. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. What's he got in your mouth, man? He's been caught before. Look at this. He's got his jaws all fucked up. Look at it. I mean, sorry. His jaws all screwed up, man. Smallie, man. This is a smallie. Look at that. Nice. All right, here you go. He's putting a big fight. I thought it was another crib chub. He put up a nice fight. Nice fight, man. So far, nothing on that. The hell is that fish called again? Man, I'm losing my memory. Nothing on that creep chud head I do out there on my big line. Nothing on there. Oh, what the hell are you doing? But that fish had a horrible upper lip. I hope it's not contagious. I guess let my worm down. I put a big worm on here too. I caught him right here on the edge. It wasn't that far when I caught it. Not that far. So I caught 2 creek chub, 1 bluegill, and 2 smallies, and 2 gobies. Gobies I didn't put them on film because those gobies are ugly. I don't want to see no ugly fish on my line, on my show. All right, so if I catch it. Okay, for those of you who don't know what a goby is, this is a goby. These are invasive species here in Illinois waters, especially in Lake Michigan. There's a ton of these in Lake Michigan. Very invasive species. They eat everything. Eggs. They eat salmon eggs, perch eggs, bluegill eggs, all kinds of eggs. But they're missing the bacon. They gotta have bacon with those eggs, though. So I'm gonna throw them back in because what the hell? They're already in the water already, right? All right. So that's a goby, ugly fish. But they look kind of meaty though. I wonder if you can eat them. Maybe in Asia they eat them. Not here. All right, fellas, I'm gonna call it last fish of the day, man. Last fish of the day is the bluegill. It was a good day, man. Good day fishing. When I say good afternoon, I gotta get home before my wife gets home. So we're going out for dinner. So we're gonna go to Palatine for Oktoberfest, and we're having a fest in my village where I live. Beautiful bluegill. Thanks, bud. Have a good weekend. Don't get eaten. So, well, thanks for watching, man. Like I said, if you like my channels, let me know. I mean, if you like my channels, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys, man. I really appreciate. I got no hit on that head, that creep cub head. Nothing, no bites at all whatsoever. Even kind of, I'm too early. It would be nice if I stayed a little longer, but I can't. So, like I said, this is Schiller Park on the corner of River Road and Irving Park Road, Route 19. I'm not too far from the airport. I'm surprised I haven't heard any planes going by. Maybe you gone further north. They got a new runway that goes east and west, maybe north and south. All right, so this has been Bill from Fishing Around Chicago. If I don't see you later, there's a big smudge there. Hope that wasn't there all that time. If I don't see you tomorrow, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We'll see you. Que siga la onda from my Latin friends. All right, we'll see you.